AI-powered email management, why it matters.
Tech professionals often face overflowing inboxes, making communication challenging. Using AI-driven tools to sort and manage email not only saves time, but helps ensure important messages are never missed. Embracing these strategies can reduce stress and free up valuable hours in your workweek, allowing you to focus on what truly matters in your role.
Smart sorting, AI's role in organizing your inbox.
The AI-powered filters can categorize emails by sender, topic, or urgency. Tools like Gmail's Priority Inbox use machine learning to identify important messages, moving less critical mail out of your way. By training these filters, you can automatically flag newsletters, code updates, or client requests, ensuring you address crucial emails first with minimal manual effort.
Email prioritization. Identify what matters most.
The AI algorithms analyze your interaction patterns to determine which emails need your attention. Some platforms even summarize lengthy threads, highlight deadlines, and suggest responses. This helps you quickly spot project-critical messages, so you respond promptly to clients, managers, or team members, while less urgent emails can be scheduled for later.
Automating routine tasks with AI.
With AI tools, you can automatically schedule meetings, generate quick replies, or set reminders for follow-ups. Customizable AI assistants integrate with your calendar and workflow, handling repetitive tasks so you don't have to. This automation streamlines project coordination and reduces the likelihood of missing important deadlines or updates.
Boosting security and reducing spam.
AI is highly effective at identifying phishing attempts and spam by flagging suspicious content and unknown senders. For tech professionals dealing with sensitive information, these defenses are crucial. Reliable spam filters and real-time alerts help safeguard your communications, keeping your professional data secure and your inbox clutter-free.
Building your AI email toolkit.
Explore popular AI-powered tools such as Gmail's Smart Compose, Microsoft Outlook's Focused Inbox, or Superhuman's AI triage features. Choose solutions that complement your workflow and offer integrations with other tech platforms you use. Experiment with settings, keep security in mind, and regularly review how AI improves your productivity and focus.
Key takeaways for tech professionals.
AI-powered email management transforms how tech professionals handle daily communications. By leveraging smart sorting, prioritization, automation, and security measures, you can reclaim time and work more efficiently. Investing in the right AI tools empowers you to stay on top of your inbox and future-proof your career in a digital world.